Hi, my name is Alex from Insta-Insulation, and just going to take this opportunity, very impromptu, show you what's happening in your home as far as heat movement, heat and moisture movement, okay? Basically, you have your house. In the typical attic, your ventilation comes through the soffit, wind hits the wall, the air is brought in, and you put a Moore vent in here, which draws the air through the soffit, up in, okay? And typically we stuff a bat of insulation in here, and then we blow insulation in like this. So as you can see, the insulation up in your attic is really thick right here and thins out right here. And the lower the slope of the roof, the more predominantly less insulation is here. So what's happening in a home is hot air is rising, and hot air is going to escape into the attic somehow in the winter time. Okay, we'll call this an inside wall. The inside wall has a receptacle or something on the inside wall, and warm moist air is going to leak into this receptacle, and then it's going to travel up this open cavity and it'll reach and get into the attic. That's called air leakage. Okay, now what we have to combat the air leakage is when the warm moist air gets in here, ventilation comes in, goes into a roof vent, and the roof vent now exhausts. Okay, so what's happening is warm moist air is rising, it's going up, it's called stack effect, gets into your attic, gets warm into your attic, and new air is drawn in through lower points in your house, like potentially windows, draft from your window. It's actually sucking air in because you have stack effect happening. The higher the building, the more intense the stack effect is. Okay, so how we combat that is, like in the attic we're doing here, we're going to be air sealing the entire attic deck with spray polyurethane foam. We're going to stop that moisture migration into the attic, the air leakage into the attic, right? We're going to still ventilate it, and then we're going to blow the insulation with cellulose, which is a little bit more mold resistant and definitely a lot better R value, effective R value.